Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to plan my weekly past because I memory plan with this beautiful kit from Sadie Stickers. This is a B6 size kit. So you have your full boxes here, box with checklists, 2 habit trackers, build do, checklists, flags, quarter boxes, labels, half boxes, washi strips, and that's the entirety of the kit. I got this, I think it was in a grab bag. Most of my kits are grab bags, guys. I love grab bags. So this is in rose gold and it's absolutely beautiful. I will also be using a lot of rose gold stickers to plan this week. So you have shops that are currently still available or shops that have been closed in the past. So that's it. Oh, and also I will be using this beautiful washi with a very what do you call it, winter themed kind of thing, cozy and warm. You know, this is a knit jumper kind of background, and this is from Simply Watercolor Co, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get started. So we're going to start with the sidebar, and my sidebar is a decorative piece in my spread. I'm using the Simply Watercolor Co washi this time around, and it has this nice jumper, knitted jumper kind of feel to it, so I'm really happy with that. You will see that there are some cat appearances throughout this video, so be wary of that. But I didn't have any other spread, any other washi that would match these colors. Like they didn't have a bow, so that's why I used all of the ones that came on this set from Simply Watercolor Co. Anyway, after the sidebar is done, I move out to Monday, and that is putting down all of the full boxes. So I move out to the actually weekly spread, and I put down all of the full boxes as well as the headers that come or the washi strips that come with the kit. And I also put a quarter box to mark down a label to mark down Coffee Monday, and my work icons throughout the spread. So I'm using assorted icons from Paper Muse Craft, as well as Blending Like a Pro and Arctic Paper Studio. So Tuesday again, the same thing, put down the full box and the washi strip or washi header. Again, back to Wednesday, and I love this photo kit. It's absolutely beautiful, even though it's rose gold. Then you have Thursday and Friday, and I put down the Friday. I put this very cozy candle full box because I wanted to remind myself to relax a bit. I didn't relax, but I needed to remind myself. I failed. On Saturday and Sunday I did something different this time. So I did put the full boxes down as more of a cozy kind of feel. That's how I plan on when I put down my full boxes, like what in the kit represents my weekend or my coziness or my Coffee Monday, things like that. But on a Saturday and Sunday I did use checklists, which is something that I usually don't do. Anyway, back to Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. I put down all of my laptop icons to mark down that it was working day. So I'm using Blending Like a Pro, Arctic Paper Studio, like I mentioned. And back to Monday, I put down all of my dates as well. The dates I'm using are by Sharina Jane, and I absolutely love her numbers. So on Monday I did some grocery shopping. I also cleaned my litter trays, which I marked down with a quarter box from the kit and a Paper Muse Craft icon. I took some Instagram posts, and I also applied for a secondment at work, so I marked it down with a little flag from the kit, and I love flags. I'm usually into flags now, so I'm getting into flags now, so I like doing that. Tuesday, it was a farewell for my late boss, that's going to be my current boss, and I marked that down with a little half box and an icon from Paper Muse Craft. Finally, I had a haircut on that day. I also paid my Foxtel bill, and I watched The Walking Dead season 8 because I was really late on that. And finally, I tidy up the house. So some of the heart icons are from a shop that is now closed. The little money bag is from The Giving Girl. Wednesday, I marked down with a half box that it was a haul day, so I uploaded my haul to YouTube. I took some Instagram, and I also Instagram pictures, and I also posted on Facebook. Again, I cleaned my litter trays. It was Call Mom Day, which I marked down with a half box, a quarter box, and a little icon, and it was also Bin Night, that I marked with a flag. Thursday, it was coffee time with the team to farewell the boss, and I had some Happy Mail that day. I also watered my plants, and I did some grocery shopping. Again, I used The Giving Girl to mark down that it was Water Plant Day. On Friday, I wasn't feeling well, so I marked that down with a half box. I did some recycling. I added my plan with me. I watched a movie, and I also tidied up my house. And on Saturday, like I mentioned, I did use my checklist to mark down all of the cleaning that I wanted to do on Saturday. I also had a sneaky lunch, which I marked down with a quarter box, sorry, a label. I also did some laundry, cleaned the house, and started binge watching YouTube videos. On Sunday, I again did use my checklist, flags, or whatever you call it, and I did all of my social media stuff, so uploaded a plan with me, IG posts, and all of that. I also cleaned my house, had some takeaway food, and did some planning session, which I marked with an Arctic Paper Studio planner. And I covered the awkward white space with some of the washi that I mentioned before from Simply Watercolor.
And here it is, guys. I'm absolutely amazed at this spread. It looks so beautiful. It's just so stunning. I'm without words. I'm so proud of myself, if I may say so. It's beautiful. Let me show you what is left of the kit. So it's a B6, and I did try to put the washi, but obviously this sidebar is not it wasn't made for the sidebar, so that failed miserably, but that's okay. So you have the habit trackers, the checklist box, one full box. You have some checklists, one quarter box, 2 labels, and that's it. So it's the perfect size for me, like absolutely perfect size. And it's brilliant. It's just so pretty. This is the second part, and it's just like, look at that. I'm like, wow, I did that. Well, I put it together. Sadie Stickers did it, and it's absolutely amazing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, as well as leave any comments or feedback if you have them on the description box below, on the comments down below. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you with an answer. That's it for today. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next week. Wednesday I have a haul, and then I'll come back next week with a plan with me, possibly. I'm not so sure because I have my in-laws coming to visit, and it's going to be on the weekend, so I'm not sure about that, if I'm going to have the time to actually plan, hopefully, or film. Hopefully I will. But that's it, guys. Just stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and love your lottos. Bye!